Hello students, my name is Borendranath Mohanto, Senior Faculty of Mechanical Department, Moirvanj School of Engineering, Baripada. Today we will discuss about a interesting topic of engineering mechanics, that is called application of friction. There are three types of application in friction. These are: one, ladder friction; second one is wedge friction; and third one is screw friction. Now we will study about the ladder friction. This one the ladder front view and this one the side view, a single line. The ladder is lean against a vertical wall and other end is rest on the floor. This one side view of the ladder, A end on the floor and B end on the wall. Both surfaces are rough surface, wall and floor both are rough surface. This one is floor, this one wall. Weight of the ladder act on the center of gravity of the ladder, which act vertically downward. Weight of ladder. A man is riding on the ladder at which the slip first start. That weight of man is called weight of man at the point C. This one the center of gravity of the ladder, where total weight of the ladder acts. And this one the total length of the ladder, capital L, and this one AG, this one length is L by T. And at a height from the point A of C is called X. This length is called X. Then we will go to the forces acting on the ladder. Next we go to the point where the total forces acting on the ladder at point A and the point B. या परे आमे एदी फोर्स विषय ए पॉइंट आ बी फोर्स कौन फोर्स एक्ट करुची या परे नेक्स्ट आमे करिवा ना टोटल फोर्स फोर फोर्सेस एक्टिंग ऑन द पॉइंट ए एंड बी. This one, that ladder, when the ladder will slip, then A moves left horizontally backward side and the point B slide downwards. Motion. These are the motions. Motion of end A and this one the motion of end B. So, as the definition of friction, frictional force always act opposite to the motion of a body. This was called frictional force of flow, FF, and this one upward, vertically upward is the force is called FW, frictional force of wall. Other two forces also act, one at A and other at B. That is called the normal reaction. The normal reaction, by definition, it states that the reaction given by the floor to the ladder at point A is called RF. Normal reaction of floor at point A. And the other normal reaction of wall to the ladder B is called RW. There are two coefficients of friction. One is mu W mu W, and at floor is called mu F. First equation of friction, F is equal to mu Rn. This was the first equation of friction. So frictional force at point floor at A, Ff is equal to mu F Rf, and Fw is equal to mu W into Rw. At the point of just begin slipping of the ladder, at the beginning, just 1 second before of slipping the ladder is in equilibrium or in balance condition. Balance 1 second before the ladder is in the equilibrium position or balance position. 1 second before of slipping. So you put the condition of balanced or equilibrium. 1 is summation of horizontal forces is equal to 0. Second equation is summation of vertical forces 0. Third one is summation of moments about a center is equal to 0. These are the algebraic equation. We can say simply rightward force is equal to left side force, upward force is equal to downward force, and moments, anti-clockwise moments is equal to clockwise moments. हो आज एतकी नेक्स्ट आमे यार इक्वेशन विषय करिबा. Starting from the first equation, summation of horizontal forces is equal to 0 means rightward force is equal to left side force. Rightward force is Ff is equal to left side force is equal to Rw. Equation number 1. Second, upward forces. Second, vertical forces. Upward force is equal to downward force. Upward forces are R, F, and F, W. Downward force is WL plus WM. This was ladder weight, this was main weight. This was the second equation. Then third equation is moments. For any moments there will be a center. Taking A as center. A as center means this A point is center means RF and FF are passes through the point A. So their moments are 0 because moment is equal to force into perpendicular distance. As the distance are 0, then moments also 0. So our moments of RF and FF are 0. Then there are remaining 4 forces are there: WL, WM, RW and FW. This WL and WM will give the ladder clockwise moments, and RW and FW gives the ladder in the anti-clockwise moments. So we will take the third equation, clockwise moments is equal to the anti-clockwise moments. Clockwise moments, WL, this one the perpendicular distance L1. L1 means L by 2, this one angle, let the angle theta. Then this L1 is equal to L by 2 cos theta. Then second L2, this one L2, this one is x, distance x, this one theta, then L2 is equal to x cos theta. Then RW, this one the distance L3. L3 means this one the perpendicular distance, or this one, this is called L sin theta. L3 is equal to L sin theta, and FW, this one the L4, total is L4. L4 is equal to L cos theta. So now we will equal the clockwise moments is equal to anti-clockwise moments. So first again WL into L1 plus Wm into L2 is equal to Rw into L3 plus Fw into L4. Then L1 WL, L1 is equal to L by 2 cos theta plus Wm into X cos theta is equal to Rw into L sin theta plus Fw into L cos theta. This one equation 3. या परे आमे ए तीनटा इक्वेशन, ए तीनटा 1 2 3 इक्वेशन सॉल्व कला परे एनी टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, एनी टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स can be solved by 3 equations. 3 equations. Any type. There are 7 parameters. 7 parameters. 7 parameters अच्छी कोई भी. सेथिरु 6 given data, next only one data to be calculated. এই गोटे डाटा 6टा डाटा 7टा पैरामीटर रु 6टा गिवन डाटा देइथिबो, गोटे पैरामीटर देइथिबो, एनी पैरामीटर, एनी 7टा डाटा होची म्यू एफ, म्यू डब्ल्यू, WM, WL, L, X, theta, 4 6 7. These are the 7 parameters. These are 7 parameters: W, mu F, mu W, WM, WL, total length of the ladder, and at the height at which at the position, and the angle of inclination of the ladder. तो এই 7টা पैरामीटर्स रु एनी 6टा गिवन डाटा दबो आ गोटे डाटा मागिबो. एटा प्रॉब्लम रो सारांश. केमते एई 3टा इक्वेशन हमें सॉल्व करबा हला. तो एई 3टा इक्वेशन हमें जेंते सॉल्व करछ ना. FF इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट इक्वेशन mu f and rf is equal to rw, means normal reaction of wall and floor, there is a relationship. First equation. Second one is rf plus fw is equal to mu w rw. These are given data or one data. Second equation is WL plus WL. Second equation. Suppose all 6 parameters are given, only theta to be calculated. ये सब डाटा गिवन अच्छी, केवल थीटा कैलकुलेट कर. तो मुझे गोटे एग्जांपल दूसरी थीटा केमती काढ़. तो थर्ड इक्वेशन देख, से सबू डाटा जना अच्छी केवल थीटा थीटा जोटी है से थीटा भैल्यूटा एपटे साइन थीटा एपटे कस थीटा थर्ड इक्वेशन टा रहिबो तो बात लेफ्ट साइड थर्ड इक्वेशन इज समथिंग into cos theta third equation is equal to something into sin theta जहाँ वैल्यू गिवन डाटा देते हो सब डब्ल्यू एल डब्ल्यू एम एक्स आर डब्ल्यू एल एफ डब्ल्यू एल सब डाटा पुटिंग द ऑल वैल्यूज one side something into cos theta second one is something into sin theta so take the cos theta that side sin theta by cos theta this one y this one x suppose then take this x inside in this side y by x is equal to sin theta by cos theta means tan theta then theta can be calculated tan inverse y by x. This one some value y value this one all putting the all values y and x can be calculated plus 3 equation will be in this type something into cos theta something into sin theta that this part one will be divided in this part and sin theta by cos theta tan theta then theta can be calculated tan inverse y by x. These 3 equation will solve any type of problem given in the format 7 parameters. So this one the type of ladder friction. Next class we go to the problem how can the 7 parameters given data is 6 1 to be calculated a type of next class we will solve one type of any type of problem in the exercise book. Thank you.